Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Understanding Python AST Dump, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Python's abstract syntax tree, AST, is a powerful tool for analyzing and manipulating Python code at an abstract level. AST dump is a feature that allows you to visualize the AST of a Python script in a human-readable format. In this tutorial, we'll explore Python's AST module, learn how to use the AST.dump function, and examine code examples to understand its practical applications. The abstract syntax tree represents the syntactic structure of a Python program as a tree. Each node in the tree corresponds to a syntactic element in the code, such as a function definition, an if statement, or an assignment. The AST provides a structured and hierarchical representation of the code, making it easier to analyze and manipulate programmatically. The AST.dump function is a built-in method in Python's AST module that converts an AST into a string, providing a human-readable representation of the tree structure. Let's explore the basic syntax of AST.dump. In this example, we use the AST.parse function to create an AST from a simple Python script. Then, we use AST.dump to generate a string representation of the AST with an indentation of 4 spaces. The output will display the hierarchical structure of the AST. The output of AST.dump consists of nested blocks, each representing a node in the AST. Here's a brief explanation of the components commonly found in the output. Let's explore a few practical examples to understand how to interpret the AST dump output and leverage it for code analysis. In this example, we walk through the AST and identify AST.function def nodes, extracting and printing the names of functions defined in the code. Here, we use AST.print to identify and print statements within the AST. This can be extended to analyze and manipulate specific types of statements in the code. Understanding Python AST dump and leveraging the AST.dump function allows for powerful code analysis and manipulation. This tutorial provides a foundation for working with ASTs and demonstrates practical examples to help you integrate AST analysis into your Python projects. Experiment with different code snippets to deepen your understanding of AST structures and their applications. ChatGPT.